Building on more than 20 years of experience in guiding their aspirants for civil services examination in Hindi medium and our insights about the English medium via our monthly magazine Drishti Current Affairs Today with close to 50 editions, our website DrishtiIAS.com with over 5 lakh monthly users, our YouTube channel having more than 4 lakh subscribers, and publishing UPSC oriented study material and books. Drishti IAS is now launching its classroom program in English medium at Prayagraj. The main highlights for this program include top class infrastructure and smart classrooms, precise guidance for UPSC as well as UPPCS, a team of best teachers and experts for each segment, updated printed class notes prepared by our in-house experts, prelims and mains test series on the pattern of UPSC and UPPCS, availability of subject experts for personal doubt clearing sessions and mentorship, regular class tests, books and study material published by Drishti Publications will be made available free of cost. Admissions are now open for the foundation batch. Also, special discounts will be provided for the first 300 students. To know more, attend an open seminar by Dr. Vikas Divyakirti on November 24, 2019 at 5:30 p.m. at our Drishti IAS Center at Tashkent Marg near Patrika Chauraha, Civil Lines, Prayagraj. To register and collect your token for the seminar, visit Drishti IAS Prayagraj Branch or get in touch with us at the number mentioned in the video.